Step and pose on the treadmill track. The little whiskers twitch, no turning back. Dumbbells lifting tails up high. These gym cats soar, aiming for the sky. Push-ups on mats, claws out strong. Furry rhythm keeps them moving along. Stretching high, reaching for the moon. Pause to the beat of a jazzy tune. Bounce, bounce, jump around. Cats in the gym owning the sound. Playful paws, they're feeling fine. Feline fitness, it's that time. Spinning wheels, tiny bikes in sync. Catnip smoothies, a post-workout drink. Furry determination, a sight to see. These gym cats train like royalty.